Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. For the month of August, I always do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So for the month of August, it is the Sleek eyeshadow palette. I also have a couple other giveaways going on, and I'll put links for all of those in the description boxes down below that take you to the different videos that tell you about how to enter for them. So it's finally here. The FabFitFun Summer Edit. I guess they were switching warehouses, and then they had problems with their shipping, and I don't know what else. So I got an email in July saying, sorry, it's gonna be a little bit. Got an email at the beginning of August, sorry, it's gonna be a little bit. And it finally showed up today. I did also film a video for the FabFitFun mystery bundle that I got for this, and I will put a link for that in the description box down below. So if you're new to FabFitFun, welcome. How come you haven't joined the family yet? I do have a code for you guys. It's $10 off your first box. I will put that code in the description box down below for you. FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box, ships out every quarter. In between those quarters, so it's $49 per box per quarter, and you can get a little cheaper than that if you sign up for like a year in advance. If you do the yearly subscription, you do have more choices as far as what you can pick out. You also have early access to their add-on sales, which is a huge plus. So that's what I do. I do the yearly subscription. And then anyway, in between those quarterly ones, they do have what they call their edit sales. And it's where the editors of FabFitFun put together these different boxes. You can curate them a little bit for you. And that's what we have today, is the summer edit box. So the summer edit box is the same price as the quarterly boxes. It's just something, the edit sales are something that you can add on. You're not required to do so by any means. I always love that they partner with a foundation. And so this box is in support of the Global Gift Foundation USA and the Eva Longoria Foundation. Let's dive into this big box. It's getting heavy here. Oh, I did also add on some of the, I said add-on sales. So I did add on 3 different pieces. And so the add-on sales, you guys, you get stuff in there that's 70% off normal retail price. So I picked up from Urban City their Floral Water Lip and Eye Remover. I've been using the Clinique Lip and Eye one for a long time. So I wanted to give something else kind of just a try, because I love trying out new things. So I'll let you know how this goes. I did also pick up the R2M Ready to Makeup Silk Define Dual Toner Pads. It's an innovative and routine simplified skincare system that ingeniously preps, primes, protects, and perfects your skin for the most beautiful makeup application every time. It's where skincare meets makeup. And there are 70 sheets in here. I also picked up from Ofra the highlighter liquid to base formula, creates show-stopping pigments that melt into skin. I did get it in the shade Star Island. Here's what the packaging looks like. And I have never tried an Ofra highlighter before, so I am anxious. This is gorgeous. I love, it's almost like a peachy tone. I don't like really strong highlighters. And this is so pretty. Just swatch this on the hand. Ooh, this is really, really gorgeous. Love it. Okay, now let's dive into the box. Everything comes really neatly wrapped in tissue paper. You have a magazine that talks to you a little about some fun little stuff. There is a card in here that talks to you about the different products, and then everything is neatly wrapped in tissue paper. This print is pretty small, so I had to go and get my glasses here. So you have it kind of curated towards you. You know, pick stuff for you. So this first round, you had the choice of the White House Black Market Striped Tote Bag, the Amika Polished Perfection Mini Straightening Brush, or the Isaac Marazi Blue and White Kimono. Which one do you think I chose? I chose the Amika Polished Perfection Mini Straightening Brush, because if I can make easy straightening out of this mess, sign me up. It fusing the power of a straightener with this ease of a hairbrush. This mini tool helps you effortlessly achieve smooth, shiny locks. It also comes in a pouch for easy traveling. Retails for $35. Take it out of here. Has a little card that talks to you about the product. Here's your pouch. There's a warranty card in here as well as kind of like an instructions manual. Ooh, it's this really pretty turquoise color. So I have never used a hair straightening brush. I've used a hair straightener and it takes me forever, but I've never used a hair straightening brush. So if you have any tips or tricks or anything like that, leave those in the comments down below for me. For choice number 2, you could have gotten the Ciate London Fierce Flicks Precision Tip Liquid Liner. Ciate London does make my favorite mascara, so their Wonderland mascara, love it. You know, it doesn't flake. I always have problems with mascaras getting under my eye and leaving a big black stripe. Never happened, love it. Anyway, from Thrive Cosmetics, the Lash Upgrade Lash Curler, or the Cele Creme de la Creme. Also, you could have chosen the Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Invisible. So I chose the Cele Cosmetics Creme de Creme, the very best cream. It's a luxurious body cream formulated with Canadian botanicals, Upaka butter, and Abyssinian oil to richly moisturize. Refreshing orange and grapefruit essentials oils leave skin decadently scented. How to use: massage in the skin as often as desired. Here's what this one looks like. Can't wait to try out a new hand cream. I do apologize. The Hero Cosmetics that I talked to you about, that Mighty Patch Invisible, is a part of this, of your third choice that you could have had. So you could have gotten that. You could have got the Kapari Beauty Coconut Deodorant, or you could have gotten the Soothe by Apana Full Body Massager. I chose the Full Body Massager. This does retail for $20. Oh, I don't know if I told you guys that this cream retails for $30. $30 for a hand cream? Wow. Anyway, this is give your body the pre and post workout care it deserves. The knobby texture and unique shape can relieve tense, sore muscles and stimulate blood flow. I have started working out again recently, and then I do have a son who is an high school athlete as well, so this will come in handy at our house. For number 4, you could have gotten the 311 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Burster, the Arctic Wooden Spoons, or the Sequoia Cruiser Bluetooth Wireless Speaker. And I chose, you know, I'm a girl who loves her skincare, I did choose the 311 Hyaluronic Acid Booster. This retails for $160. Remember, your box was only $49 with all of these goodies combined. So, wow, $160? Moly. It is a quench and replenish dry skin with an ultra hydrating formula that provides an instant boost of moisture. All it takes is 1 to 2 drops. Cannot wait to try and see what $160 moisturizer basically feels like. There is a card in here from Bright Sellers. I don't buy my wine online. So the first one of you guys that redeems this code, it is for a $50 credit. There's also, it looks like, a couple different Hallmark cards that are included in here just as a bonus. For choice number 5, you could have gotten the Victorian Beauty Skin Loving Treatment for eyes and lips, the Grown Alchemist Deep Cleansing Facial Mask, Wheat Germ, Ginkgo, and Cranberry. And I chose the Grown Alchemist. I have tried their cleansers before, so I am anxious to try this one. All you need is 10 to 15 minutes to visibly revitalize and improve your firmness. Who doesn't need a little firmness? If you guys don't know, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks and let you know the tea on them. So be on the lookout for this one in an upcoming video. And here's what the product looks like. This does retail for $39. Number 7 is what all members received. It's the Merrakesh Leave-In Treatment Detangler. And I need all the help I can get detangling. So it is instantly moisturize and detangle your tresses with this nutrient-rich argan oil from Morocco, ultra fortifying hemp seed oil, Pathanol, and pure botanical extracts. Does retail for $15.99. Everybody got the APTO Summer Mist set. And Tumeric and Pomegranate, spritz and spritz, freshen up on the go with this healing and herbal mist that keeps your skin soft and dewy. Retails for $20. And here is the turmeric one, and then here is your pomegranate one. Each one is 2 fluid ounces. And then lastly, everybody received the Green Goo Hibiscus plant-based body scrub. Transform your bath into a tropical paradise with a rich blend of coconut oil, shea butter, calendula, chamomile, hibiscus, lavender, and honeysuckle. Retails for $35. I'm almost out of my body scrub, so glad I got this. So that's everything that is in this box. I mean, it's better late than never. I do wish, because it was, you know, a month out from like when some people got theirs, that maybe if they could have thrown in an extra product, it would have been great. But I always love FabFitFun, and they do an amazing job. I think if I had to pick 2 favorite items, it is the 311 Skin. Cannot wait to try this. And then the hairbrush straightener. I'm anxious to see if can do anything with this mess that I've got going on. What were your guys' favorite items? Did you guys choose, if you do get FabFitFun, did you guys choose something different? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.